kitchen?
We're making turkey meatballs, soup, whipped cream with fruit salad, and marinara sauce with pasta.
We're doing math. We're counting. It's 13 down and 9 across. It's 13 down and 9 across. And here's our math wizard here. How much is it?
See, cooking is good for you. You learn math and you get to eat.
How just so important for health, for family values, all sorts of reasons.
You can learn so much, right?
Totally, it's a life skill.
Why are we bathing the pears?
Brown.
All right.
I'm